Onegaishimasu. Hey guys, it's Nathan Ogden again, here with a karate quick tip for Tengoku-Ryu, karate, and Kobujutsu. In this video, we're going to demonstrate our basic block, Kake Uke, or hooking block. Now, there are different ways of doing this, as I have said in all of my previous videos, from style to style. There are little differences and nuances in the execution of technique. One's not necessarily more right than the other, they're just different. They're stylistic differences. And so as you approach this, just look at that in that way. This particular block is one of the more difficult in the system in terms of beginners getting it down, because there's a lot going on here. So we're going to look at that, and then we're going to execute a few of these as we would do them in class. If you're watching this video, however, and you've not started with the very first in this series, go back and watch the first one, because there's a lot of information that gives us a lot of context and detailed information that is not in each one of these quick tip videos. And that one is the low block video. So go back and watch that one first, and then just go from there. In this video, again, hooking block. So like every other video, we're going to start in a hikodachi, or a parallel stance. And this starts from this position. We're almost like this reverse outside middle block, but now our hand is open and gripping. Our hikite, rather than being a closed hand and a fist, is actually an open hand as well. Now, when we fold for this technique, there's a little bit that we have to kind of learn. There's a little bit of a learning curve. And whereas in most of the videos we would turn and we would bring the hand to the center line, this particular technique, we're not moving to the center line in the same way that we've done in previous videos. When we get ready to execute this one, the hand actually comes back to the center line of the chest in this fashion. So instead of like outside middle block where we would come here and then fold in this way, with Kake Uke we start here and then the hand comes here. So we're going to bring the hand straight back to the center of the chest. Now, the way that this is done is we turn, come here. Notice the hips move in the same direction because I'm getting ready to block with this hand. So we go from here, the hand comes to here, then I come to the outside of my arm at the elbow, and I begin to make this open-handed circular movement, like I'm going to kind of sweep my hand in this fashion. So as the hand comes back, this hand comes here, and then it begins to make the sweeping motion. As it does, it grabs and pulls, and this hand comes back to the chamber. One more time slowly, let's look at that, how that happens. So here, 1, 2, turn back to the center, grab and pull. And you can see that each time that we turn, the hips are going to work just like other techniques that we've done, and the hand is kind of going in the same direction, but it's going to the elbow like many of our previous blocks. So let's do about 5 of these as we would do them in class, so that you can see them as they're being done in class. So we'll start from here. We're going to do 5. Each, ni, san, shi, and go. So I hope that this video helps you as you're practicing Tengoku-Ryu outside of the dojo and helps you with Kake Uke.